guys, welcome to the vlog. We're going into IKEA for the first time. I'm here with my sister, brother, and all my siblings with me, and we're going with my mom. I'm so excited. The detail is amazing. I think I like warmer tones better, but you could always do dress. That's so boho chic to me. It's so nice. Oh, they're so comfortable. This is pretty. I am so in love. This is so eccentric and artsy. But you know what? It totally works. It totally works. This is literally like a little kitchen. Look at all of these. I love this walk-in shower. You guys, look at the kitchen. Dispenser, some chai or something like that. A full length mirror. It totally opens up the space. It is so beautiful. White coat. Space adjacent to the bedroom. We have. Are you kidding me? So beautiful. Look at that space. I feel like it's difficult to pull off that black theme. Obviously, it's windy in the city. What are your thoughts on IKEA so far?
This is like one of my dream kitchen. Yeah, I think I'll do something like this in the future.
This is amazing. I love shelving like it. Shoe organizer, that's so cute. Washer and dryer combo. People underestimate like having a sink beside your laundry, but it's so good. Farmhouse sink. I didn't know you had stuff that I can actually buy. So clean. Oh, this silver one is so gorgeous. We have a gold one. Gold is beautiful. This is a Christmas space. Super cute thing. Pretty useful. And it is $10. I like the bedding on this. This is so cute. Come in, come in.
Ate. Yeah.
So cool.